Hey all, welcome to Southern Custom CC's YouTube channel. This is Mark. Thanks for joining us. Today we're going to feature the new 2020 Ridgeland Kent Fixie bike. This is the 700C by 38C. As you can see, it cascades from the yellow down to the lime green. We have the standard 80cc engine on there. And what we're going to do is we have the standard front engine mount, which lifts up the engine a little bit. We did that because it's going to give us a carb clearance on the rear and the air filter spacing there. So we're not going to have to use that offset intake. Now also with raising that engine, we have the option to throw on a pull start because the engine sits high enough that the pedal is going to have clearance and it's going to be able to pedal around, and the engine's not going to obstruct its pedaling. So if you wanted to put on a pull start in there, it wouldn't be a problem at all. We had no adaptations to that 44 tooth rear sprocket, standard straight setup, and actually it was really easy because the inner hub is long enough to where you can fit both of the rubber grommets, and the sprocket hole still fits in and there's still some hub showing, so it assures a very solid and straight mounting. The only other option that you have here, which I highly recommend, is the double brake lever. That's going to control both the front and rear brakes simultaneously. Along with that, I'd also recommend the matching chrome clutch lever. Beyond that, it's a pretty standard straightforward build. Because of the colors, we decided to give it an 80s new wave name, and we're going to call it the Hellasick. Thanks for watching, everyone. This is Mark. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.